Hey, what's up? This is my first time going live on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. What? Wow, it's kind of hard to tell. We're telling you. Okay, good. Hi. Thanks for being here. All right, welcome. Woo, this is some tech stuff going on here. Noah! All right, I'm doing this like Facebook and Instagram live at the same time. This is Stop, Drop, and Breathe. I am Lisa Mehta, and I'm waiting for a few people to come on. Ooh. But if you're just joining me and you're here, hey, Instagram people, that's so cool. We're just going to start seated. I just want to talk a little bit about something, and then we are going to get up and shake it out. And then we're going to get into today's theme, which is connect to calm. So let's see how we doing here. Ooh, shaky styles. All right. Well, if you're just joining, I'm always about arrival. And I really think how we show up sets a tone. So if you just want to begin just by centering yourself, we're just going to start here. Seated. I'm trying something new on Facebook and Instagram at the same time, and I am wondering if anybody is there. Okay, let me see. Anyone? Okay. All right. So today's theme is connect to your calm. And what I want to say about most of the work that I do is calm doesn't exist without chaos. Like everything is moving with its counterpart, dualities, faith and fear, sad and joy, the yin and the yang, the masculine and the feminine. Everything is moving with its counterpart at all times. So if we want to connect to our calm, we have to also acknowledge that chaos is there. It just depends how close to the surface. Are you in the chaos? Are you feeling it swirling you around? Which means imagine being whipped around the edges of something, and that calm is the center. But sometimes to know calm, we must know chaos. I had an art history teacher. One year he taught us to see what it is, you must know what it isn't. And that was in relation to how do we figure out what period an art piece is from. So that has always stuck with me, because to see what it is, we must know what it isn't. And if you don't want to be in chaos and you want calm, you know it's not that, which is its counterpart, and you come back to calm. So calm lives in the middle. Calm is the center of a circle. Calm is the alignment of our spine. Calm is our innermost still place. So if any of you are having trouble finding your calm right now, this is what we're going to do. We're actually going to move first, because to see what it is, you must know what it isn't. And we'll know that it isn't movement. Although we can find a certain kind of calm in movement, but for purposes of today, we're going to bounce a little. We're going to breathe and bounce. I'm actually sitting on my ball right now. Bounce, baby, bounce, baby, bounce, baby. All right, so I do not know if this Facebook thing is working. How is... I think it's live. I tried to activate the new thing. Anyway. All right, so here we're going to go. We're going to get this started. I realize that I have to go here. Be right back. All right. Here we go. We're going to get our bounce on. All right. If you know me, you know I like me some drum and bass. Okay, thanks for telling me. Here we go. So if you're able to stand up, get on up. Here we go. This is the other side of the calm. We're just going to start bouncing it out. Bounce, baby, and bring your breath. Shake it out. Show me what you got. Woo! Excuse me. All right. Find your groove, find your rhythm. I'm always encouraging people to breathe in and out through their breath, through their mouth, but you can take deep breaths in through their nose if you want. All right. Bounce it out, bounce it out. Bounce it out, bounce it out. Move. Show me the chaos in your movement. Because that's where the other side is stillness. And who doesn't want to dance on a Friday night? Woo! Get your blood moving. Chaos is just movement. We're going to chop away the things that are in the way with the breath. Ready? Add the breath. Chop away. Things are in the way. Chop away. Things are in the way. Chop away. Things are in the way. Make it your own. Woo! No more obstacles. No more obstacles. Chop. Get your karate on. Chop. Chop. Bounce it out. Bounce it out. Come on, let's see it. Get chaotic. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Use your body. We're all inside right now. Round it out. Keep breathing. Just one more minute. Stay with the breath. Drop in. Close your eyes. Find the beat. Find the bounce. Use your hips. Open your chest. Get your robot on. Woo! Get funky! All right, take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. And bounce. Bounce it out. Come alive from the inside. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bring your breath. Back to the chop. Chop it out. Breath and movement. Best way to get out of your mind and into your body and make the transformation. Use your breath. Just a little more. All right, here we go. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Taking a seat. So we know what it isn't. We know stillness is not that. That was a bunch of movement. We know that our calm comes here on the other side. Let's choose calm. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Breath in. And out. Just think about what it is you're breathing into. What kind of energy you're manifesting these days. Breathing in. Now through your mouth and out through your mouth. Just allowing everything to settle. You might feel hot in your body. Just hitting the connected breath. Stay present. Here we go. Inhale. This is the other side. Exhale. Feeling your body coming into stillness after all the movement. Inhale. In through the mouth, out through the mouth. You can use your hands if you want, or you can just be still. Go in, go in. This is stop and get present. Drop inward and breathe deep. Everything you seek is inside. Close your eyes and breathe in through your mouth, out through your mouth. Feel your chest opening. I love using my hands when I breathe. Inhale. We are just magnifying the calm within, the calm for our global energy, the calm for our communities, our families, our friends. This is a breath of calm. Inhaling in. Exhaling out. Closing your eyes. Just finding your rhythm. Finding your alignment. Imagining yourself at peace, at the center of something that's whipping around us, which it is right now. There's so much change. You don't want to be on the edges. Come to the middle. Breathe into the middle of that change where stillness is, and you have the most amazing viewpoint from there. Breathe in that dot in the middle. The energy of that dot. Expanding out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are in the middle of the calm. Every storm has the eye. The eye can see. Breathe in and breathe out. Finding your center. I am centered. I am at peace. I am calm. I accept the circumstances. I control what I can control. I come back to my breath. Stay with the breath. It's just 15 minutes of your day. Give yourself this gift and breathe deep. Love you too, Nance. Think about what breath you are magnifying within you. This word magnify has been with me since this changing times. Everything is magnified. All the things in my life, what it is that I've been working on is magnified. Whether they're the good or the bad, everything is magnified. So use this breath. What do you want to magnify? I want to magnify peace, calm, discipline. Actually, my word is consistency. What is the energy that you want to magnify right now in your life? And breathe it in. And know that you can expand it from the inside out to the world. All right, 1.5 minutes left of just coming in. If you want to continue with mouth breathing, go ahead. If not, just closing your eyes and just continuing to center with your breath. Be still. Listen to the calm within. Follow the breath to the depths of your inner peace. Follow the breath inward, deep, deep down to the core of who you are, to the truth. And listen. Just placing your hand on your heart and bring a smile to your face and tell your body, yes, I love you. Yes, everything is going to be okay. And take such a deep breath in. Okay, that's really funny. Whatever needs to come through you will come through you. Deep breath. Thank you for joining today for Stop, Drop, and Breathe every Friday at 1. Different things we're going to be doing to activate breath and movement so you can just come back to the truth of who you are. I love you all. Happy manifesting. Happy breathing. Let me know how I can support you. Bye.